What are the health benefits of avocado pulp? Avocados are superfoods with a high content of fiber, potassium, folate, vitamins B6 and C. Only one serving of avocado offers 21 grams of a mixture of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated fats are essential for our body's well-being, but our bodies can't produce them. This type of fat is needed to build cell membranes and to cover nerves. Also, they are an adjuvant in preventing blood clotting and supporting good muscle movement. Monounsaturated fats in avocados are similar to those found in olive oil. Studies show that regular consumption of avocados decreases inflammation and lowers the risk of heart disease. Besides, this superfood has anti-cancer effects and it shields the body against damage. Another health benefit associated with avocados is their ability to better brain health. A couple of studies show that it can improve memory and it can lessen depression symptoms. What about the health benefits of avocado seeds? Well, besides the pulp, avocados can offer additional health benefits with the aid of its seeds. Similar to green tea, avocado seeds are rich in polyphenols, antioxidants, and catechins. Therefore, it can prevent cancer and several cardiovascular problems. Also, avocado seeds have fungal and anti-microbial properties that are great for supporting the immune system. How to use the avocado pit. 1. Avocado seed tea. If you have a sore belly, a cup of avocado seed tea can help you deal with such aches. Smash the seed into 2 halves and place it in a bowl of boiling water. Let it sit for up to 10 minutes and drink the infusion slowly. Another method to make avocado seed tea is to smash it with a blender and transform it into powder. Use a tablespoon of this mixture and blend it in the hot water. 2. Avocado seed as a toothache remedy. Cut the seed and use a small portion of it to apply on a sore tooth. Keep it for a couple of minutes to diminish the pain. 3. Avocado seed and sore skin. Smash the avocado seed until it gets into powder form. Mix it with olive oil and let it sit for up to 7 days. After that, you can use the mixture to deal with itchy or sore skin.